Hi, I'm Samuel, the founder of Zoomaa, and today I just have one update to bring. Uh, I try to do this so that I keep on updating and improving the features, and keep myself a little bit accountable for what needs to be done. And also, I need to do this so that the YouTube there are videos on the YouTube for people to see. Um, I just have an update for today. Is regarding the search component on the platform. So I was thinking, I had first initially built it. So you just select the date and the location, the to and from location, and you send it, and we fetch you the result of that. But since there aren't a lot of operators on the platform, I hadn't noticed this as a malfunction or like improper development of the search feature on the platform, right? So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the ranking of the search results, right? So when you search and we retrieve what you search for, we need to rank it, right? We need to rank it in a much smarter way to avoid dumping a lot of data on you for you to sift through. So the ranking is something that is very important in retrieving of documents in the database, right? So I currently how this works on the platform is I just send everything that is relating to that specific day, right? And I came to the realization that not quite a realization. I know to do this, but like I came to uh, I came to a realization that I need to improve this feature much more. I need to make it much better. So my mind initially went to maybe adding maybe a search engine on top of it. This is a bit of an over engineering because this isn't a full text search system where people are searching like a full text search. So like they type any random thing in the search and we retrieve or we try to match that. We create maybe an inverted index from the search, and we match it up with documents existing in our system. This is a much more, I would say, much more simpler system that, with a little bit of ranking of results, will fix the issue. But I initially went into this rabbit hole. A rabbit hole. Uh, Not a rabbit hole, like a mindset of like thinking too deep into how this will work. So my immediate result was to go and find a way to build a full, like connect my system with a full text search engine like Lucene or Elasticsearch to handle this. I went to that. Yeah, so go to Lucene or Elasticsearch to handle this. The reason I thought of this is Lucene, Elasticsearch, or like OpenSearch, they have their custom ranking algorithm or their custom ranking algorithms that how do they operate? So they have many custom ranking algorithms. They have their own native, and you could build your own custom ranking algorithm from their native ranking algorithms. Example of such is best match 25, their BM25. They also have their reciprocal ranking factor, and they have their like their vector search, so KNN search. So and say they have some other algorithms that they use underneath to rank results. So my mind initially went to that, and I began to think. So whenever I'm building, I need to stress test the idea. So like whatever idea pops up into my mind, I try to stress test it. So like, okay, this is the idea. Let's break it down. Let's do a deep analysis of the idea. And stress test the idea and see if it's a good idea or not. So in stress testing the idea, I was like, oh, okay, this isn't a full text search system. This isn't a full text search. My system isn't a full text search system. Unlike maybe a food delivery platform like maybe Uber Eats or DoorDash, that's people just text. Maybe I want a pizza or something, and they take that and uh, create an inverted search index, match documents. This will be the ideal use of Elasticsearch or Lucene or OpenSearch, right? Since my system is much more different, is different. So it's more like you select the date, you type the to and from, and we retrieve to you, right? So when we retrieve to you the results, uh, what we must do with the results is how good the experience of the platform will be to the users, right? The customers or the passengers, right? So the results that are returned, we need to re-rank the results, right? Uh, so I got to that realization. I was like, okay, then I should swap it for this. Like MongoDB already has most of these functionalities in the system, so it's like, okay, maybe I just need a compound index like documents with certain fields that are ranked in them, right? Like price, departure time, seat availability, operator rating. These are the stuff that I need in the document to rank it. Then I create like maybe an aggregation pipeline with these fields that are ranked, right? Then maybe some few times I swap them, depending on how the platform is and how everything is functioning on the platform and the the feedback of the operators and the passengers about the search functionality of the platform. We take that and that is the real world test, and I make the um, compound index much better, right, over time. So this is the conclusion I came about with the search feature, and then I implemented it. So I will be releasing this feature in the app is already live. So I'll be releasing this upon that, and yeah. So that's what I came to. That's the conclusion I came to in improving the search feature on the platform. Yeah. One other thing I would like to say is that the Zoomaa app now is live on iOS. So if you type the Zoomaa app, you will be able to see it on iOS. Uh, Initially, the Zoomaa partner was approved for distribution. Then the Zoomaa app itself wasn't approved because of some issue. Then I resubmitted it for review. Not only I hadn't pressed the submit button, so it stayed there for about 5 days, and I was worried what was causing this. So I later found out that the submit for review hasn't been pressed, so I had to send it and request for an expedited release. So once I sent those, I within a day I received that the Zoomaa app has been approved for distribution, right? So in all, the on the iOS, the Zoomaa and the Zoomaa partner are live. For the Android, the Zoomaa partner is live. I saw today that I can apply for production for the Zoomaa the is it the Zoomaa? Yeah, the Zoomaa app. So I have now applied for production for the Zoomaa, so that will also be live on iOS soon. So on so in total there are three apps that are live for in production, right? And it's left with one that within a day or 2, 3 max will also be live in production. So these are some few updates regarding the platform, and I just wanted to bring these updates and hope for yeah, you should hope for more updates in the future. And yeah, that was it for today. I hope you have a good time and listening to this. And if you would like to support this channel, you just subscribe and like the video, go through the list of videos that I've made, and also like them. And this will boost the algorithm and make it that my videos are suggested to more people. Thank you for your time again, and have a blessed weekend. Peace.